Lemon bottle has gained quite a bit of popularity in the UK. So what is the appeal of something like lemon bottle? What is lemon bottle? It is a fat dissolving injection, and it can be performed in an aesthetic setting. So what is the appeal of something like lemon bottle? Lemon bottle has gained quite a bit of popularity in the UK. Some of the reasons why it has gained such popularity is because its main ingredients are not technically drugs. They're vitamins or minerals or other supplements. And they are meant to increase your metabolism and help dissolve the fat cells in the areas of injection. The second reason that it has gained a lot of popularity is because of price. Some clinics in the UK have made it so accessible where one injection treatment costs only £100. So for those of us counting in US dollars, it's still less than $150. The third reason that lemon bottle has gained such popularity is because it is reported to act more quickly than Kybella. That's one of the other alleged benefits of lemon bottle, is that there's minimal recovery time and swelling compared to other treatments. So what does it mean for us in the US? Well, for starters, lemon bottle is not approved by the FDA in the US. In general, I think that when it comes to methods of melting away fat, you have to exercise great caution. The same ingredients that melt away your fat cells may have unknown effects on other non-fat cells and tissues around your target, especially when it comes to areas like double chin, which is a concern that many of my patients have. I see you in consultation to talk about what's bothering you and also how we can best help you. Because the double chin area is not just limited to excess of superficial subcutaneous fat, there can be a deeper issue, such as deeper fat. And this fat is located deep to your muscle here, which is your platysma muscle. If the area of concern is because of excess volume behind your platysma muscle, there's nothing that lemon bottle or Kybella or any minimally invasive fat melting treatment will do for you. It's just as simple as that. In fact, what it may do is, if it damages the limited amount of superficial fat that you have, the skin itself is going to look older and more hollow and less resilient. You see, the appearance of the skin in this area is also dependent on the quality and the quantity of fat that's in the subcutaneous area just underneath your skin. So if you obliterate that with something like lemon bottle or Kybella, what you're going to end up with is you're going to see less yellow and more pink, because the space between your skin and your muscle is going to be decreased. So you can almost see through the skin, if you want to think of it that way, to see the pink of the muscle in this area. For some people, the subcutaneous layer excess is the reason that you have a double chin. And if that's you, a procedure to help reduce the fat content of the subcutaneous layer in the double chin area is appropriate. For something like that, though, I would recommend a liposuction. And this can be done by a board-certified plastic surgeon, and it can even be done under local anesthesia. Downtime is about the same as lemon bottle or Kybella, and you'll see results once for all. If your surgeon assesses your anatomy and determines that the fullness under your double chin is not due to superficial fat, but rather due to deeper structures, the more appropriate a treatment for you is what we call a deep neck lift. And by going under the platysma muscle to access the deeper tissues of the neck and sculpt them accordingly, this will give you a sharper jawline, a cervical mental angle we call it, between the chin and the neck. It'll give you a nice shadow to improve the contour right there, which is on trend and will continue to be on trend for a very, very long time. The other thing to consider, again, is your anatomy here. Talk to an expert about what is causing your double chin and why your anatomy is that way. And if a superficial procedure like liposuction is appropriate for you, then that will give you a great result. If, however, there is a deeper issue with the deeper tissue, then what might be more appropriate for your situation is a deep neck lift. Recovery is a little longer, but the results are definitely much better.